All right, so if you guys have to replace your dryer vent couplings, this is a pretty cool little system. So let me show it to you guys. I'm gonna pop it out. You know, it comes with some instructions, but I don't know if you really need them. It's got these clamps, which are Phillips head clamp. So you need that because you gotta lock it on. And then it does come with this thing here that expands, right? Whoops. Like that, right? Check it out. Hang on. Here it is. That's for your dryer vent, right? Set that over there. And then here's another clamp. You need 2 clamps. And then this is the magnetic thing, which is kind of hard to pull apart. You gotta be careful. Oh, there we go. So let me show you. Ow! I just caught my finger in there. It's so strong. Look at this. Watch. You ready? That's how strong this is. I mean, it's nuts. It's crazy. And to get it apart, you really got to pull. So this magnet is super strong. And this would go into the wall, and then this would go on. And then this here, you're going to put on there. You got to have, you know, your thing that you're going to clamp it with. So you would go like this. Let me show you. This, you got to get around here, just like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to set this on top of here like this. It follows me? You want to get it all the way on there, right? You want to make sure it's on there. So I kind of pull it down like that, you see? And then we got to get our Phillips head. And then you're going to get your Phillips head on it right here. And watch this. Look at it, just pulls the Phillips head over. And then you just got to go righty-tighty on it. Put her in there. You really got to get it on there. Until you can't turn it anymore. I think that might do it. Yeah, there we go. And this end here is going to go on your dryer. And then you're going to use this other clamp to clamp it down on the dryer. So this would be your port that goes out of the house, right? And then this side here would be on your dryer. And so, let me smush it back down. So you would use this clamp for the dryer, you know what I mean? Jelly beans. And that's basically how it works. And yeah, I think it's a pretty good system. You know what I mean? Check it out. But I would highly recommend getting one of these if you need a dryer vent. Peace out.